If you're between 35 and 55, pay close attention. I'm going to tell you about a simple gelatin trick that many women have quietly added to their mornings to bring a gentle sense of balance and well-being into their daily lives. Gelatin, fruit, and one last ingredient you'll discover in the video. This combination has been getting a lot of attention because it's natural, affordable, and very easy to prepare at home. In wellness communities, many people say they feel lighter and more at ease throughout the day. It's a gentle ritual made with common ingredients, no extremes, no expensive formulas. Some women who started doing it told me they felt more comfortable and confident in their daily routines. It's something simple that blends naturally into a calm, balanced lifestyle. No exaggerations, no sacrifices, just a small moment of self-care. If this video showed up for you, maybe it's not by chance. There's a video explaining step by step how people usually prepare and include it in their routine. The link is in the description and also in the first pinned comment. It's purely informative, showing how people have been using this ritual in a simple and mindful way.